Do you want to know how to make an area fill chart on GraphPad Prism? You came to the right place. Welcome back to Bioinfo Tips. In this video, I'll show you how to create an area fill graph in GraphPad Prism. This graph type is perfect for showcasing trends over time or cumulative data with a visually appealing style. Let's dive right in. Start by opening GraphPad Prism. If you're working on a new project, click Create New Project. Then select New Data Table and Graph. For an area fill graph, we'll use the XY data table since it allows us to plot trends over a continuous variable like time or distance. Once your data is entered, go to the Graph section. Select the area fill graph type under the XY graphs. GraphPad will automatically generate a plot where the area under the curve is filled with a solid color. Let's customize the graph to make it look great. First, head over to Format Graph. From here, you can change the fill color of the area. For example, you might use a gradient to represent a transition or a solid color for simplicity. Next, adjust the transparency of the fill. This can be done by selecting Fill Transparency under the color options. Increasing transparency is especially useful if you want to overlay multiple area plots. When you're satisfied with your graph, click File and choose Export. Save it as a PNG for presentations or as a PDF for high-quality reports. And there you have it, a professional-looking area fill graph in GraphPad Prism. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more science software tips here on Bioinfo Tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.